How to fix filter option not showing on WhatsApp video call. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix your filter option not being available onto your WhatsApp video call. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So the first thing is I want you to check if there is any update available for your video. So let's go to Play Store. For that, just open up Play Store and go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. After searching for it, look for any update if there is available. If there is any update available, just tap on update and wait for the update to be completed. After the update is completed, just go to the app info of the app. After going to the app info, just scroll down until you see storage. Just tap on storage and tap on clear cache. After doing so, just get back and see if that works or not. If that doesn't work, just restart your app. Just restart your phone and I'm sure one of the method is gonna work for your device. So therefore, by following this method, you can fix your WhatsApp video call filters not showing. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.